to my channel if you are new. Today's video is going to be a unboxing slash reveal slash mini review of my new bag. I just got this bag last week and I got it from the Neiman Marcus store, the little Louis Vuitton store inside of Neiman Marcus. So let's get right to it. Alright, so of course it comes with its receipt. However, this receipt is a little different. As I mentioned, I got it from the Neiman Marcus store. So it has the Neiman Marcus receipt attached to the regular Louis Vuitton receipt. Put that back. Put that back in the envelope. And here is the big gigantic box it came in. Why it came in this big box, I don't know, because the bag itself doesn't need this big packaging, but hey, I'll take it. Open up and you see it has all this tissue paper in here. This was a first for me, as I usually get my bags from the actual Louis Vuitton store and they do not pack them with all this tissue, so that's a first. Then once you remove the tissue, you see the dust bag, and the bag is inside of here. So here's the cute little small dust bag for the bag. So let's reveal. And here it is, my new bag. She's so gorgeous. I love her. She is so beautiful. So beautiful. This is the Louis Vuitton Croisette. I'm not sure how you pronounce it, so I'm trying my best. Don't be upset if I'm mispronouncing it. But the Louis Vuitton Croisette in Damier Ebene. So freaking pretty. So it has the little tassel on the side. That is so cute. I love it. And it has the little red up underneath the brown. So pretty. When you open up, it has this little gold latch here. You just slide this. Here, let me come closer so you guys can see. Sorry. So it has this little golden hardware locket there, and you just slide it open and it pops up. And you see the beautiful red interior. So freaking beautiful. And in there is the strap that it comes with. And inside there's a little pocket. And nice amount of room in there. And then the little sticker cards. Okay, it still smells so fresh. But so this is the bag. I just absolutely love it. See the little hinges there, so cute. Tassel again, better view, has the red on the inside. Very pretty. Very beautiful, beautiful, beautiful bag. And look, it has a top handle too, which allows for this bag to be used in various ways. So to put the strap on, you just, let me show you how long the strap is first. This is the strap. You just take the bottom, let me snap this back so it won't keep popping open. I'm sorry. Okay, so you just take the gold clip and you attach it to the gold ring. And then you do the same to the other side. And there, now you have a beautiful crossbody or shoulder bag. I love this bag, it's so versatile. Okay, so this bag is just so beautiful. I initially wanted the Louis Vuitton Favorite in PM, but of course that bag is like impossible to get right now. So I got this instead, and I am so satisfied with my choice, and I'm so happy I got this instead. It is so beautiful, and it has a lot much more space, so that helps also. So yes, it is a beautiful bag. I have worn it as a crossbody and a shoulder bag with the strap, and I have worn it without the strap. It's really easy to snap on and off. I just had a struggling moment there, but it's very easy. I have also worn it without the strap as a top handle bag, which is also really cute, and I love it. This is absolutely one of my favorite bags, and I wanted to get Damier Ebene print because the only Ebene print I have is my Speedy. Everything else is monogram, so I was really excited about this. I wanted to get a crossbody bag before my Vegas trip because it makes everything so much easier just to be hands-free on vacation in Vegas, especially walking down the strip, gambling, playing casino games, whatever. It makes everything so much easier just to be hands-free. So yeah, this works perfectly. I love it, and it matched everything I wore in Vegas. It looked so good with my outfits. There's so many ways to wear this bag, and I just really love it, and I definitely recommend it. It's a beautiful bag. I love the gorgeous red on the inside. Very easy to open and shut, and it's very secure once it is shut. Like, it's not just gonna plop open. It's not gonna pull in. It's not gonna pop open. And just to open, you just take this one and slide it over, and there you go. Very easy. And it also has a lot of room. I can do another video to show you how I pack this bag. If you'd like to see how I pack this bag, then give this video a thumbs up and comment below that you would like to see how I pack it, and I will get that for you, a what's in my bag video for you, so you can see everything that fits in it. But overall, I will give this video, overall I would give this bag a 10. I really love it. So let me try to show you how it looks on my body frame. This is the bag used as just a top handle bag. You can wear it over your arm like this, or you can wear it simply holding the top handle like this. Also very cute. And here is the bag worn over the shoulder. Very cute. Usually when I wear it over the shoulder like this, I'm holding on to it like this just to give it more security so it doesn't easily fall off my arm or get snatched off me. So I'm holding it like this. But I actually prefer to wear it this way, but it depends on what outfit I'm wearing. So here's the crossbody way. Hands-free, simple, cute, love it, cute. This is definitely one of my favorite Louis Vuitton bags now. I'm so in love with this bag. I absolutely love it, and I'm so happy with my decision. I'm so happy that the favorite was sold out, because had it not been, I would have never chosen this beauty. So there you have it, the Louis Vuitton Croisette and Damier Ebene. Beautiful bag. Alright ladies, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can check out my future upcoming videos. Also remember, if you'd like to see a what's in my bag, to see what fits in this bag, then comment that below and I'll be sure to get that out to you. And be sure to check out my other Louis Vuitton videos. If you enjoy these types of videos, I have more coming, so stay tuned. Thank you.